Subject Managerial Economics and Financial Analysis. Second btech, second semester regular examinations and set number 2, 2025 April month. Common to CSC, CSC CS, CSC IoT and CSC IBCT, CSC IoT, CSC CS. Part A, 2 marks questions. Section 1A, write the role of managerial economics in business decision making. Write a note on Cobb Douglas production function. Define demand forecasting. What are the factors affecting demand? State the law of variable proportions. Define economics of scale. Economic of scale. What is the importance of the financial accounting? Question number H. Explain the role of profit maximization in business. Question number I. Define capital structure and its determinants. Question number J. What is meant by inventory management? Part B. 10 marks questions అండి. యూనిట్ 1 నుంచి సెకండ్లో డిస్కస్ ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ అండ్ లిమిటేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ మేనేజరల్ ఎకనామిక్స్. పార్ట్ బి. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలాస్టిసిటీ ఆఫ్ డిమాండ్ విత్ సూటబుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. యూనిట్ 2 నుంచి థర్డ్లో వాట్ ఆర్ ద డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కోస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్, explain with examples. Describe the price output determination under monopoly marketing structure. యూనిట్ 3 నుంచి 4th write in details about cost, volume, profit analysis and its applications in business. B. Discuss the factors affecting pricing decisions and different pricing strategies. Unit 4, 5th list out the sources of capital and their relative merits and demerits. Discuss the significance of financial statement analysis for business decisions. Unit 5, 6th explain the methods of capital budgeting and their importance. 6th B. What is the importance working capital management? Explains components. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 and Unit 4 different videos upload చేయండి. Thank you.